Number 4, warm up. This is to get us going with some up bows with those eighth notes. So our counting is 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Da, repeat, go. So that's what we're dealing with. And so we have these fun down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we're starting off G, 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 A, B, 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 D, B, B. So it's a good idea to do this with just open bowing first. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Of just getting that going to make that feel very comfortable. G, A, B, D, B, G, A, ba, da, da. We have that low 2 on the A string because there's no key signature. So that's telling me that we're in G or in C major, but it's just not written. So. All right, so down, up, down. Be very gentle with that down, up. We don't have to lean into it. Listen to what your bow has to say. If you're working too hard, that's what's going to happen. It's going to be too much. Up, down, up, down, up. Try that out on all strings because each string behaves differently, and listen to what your bow is telling you. All right, we're starting on G. 1, 2, and ready, go. And